Welcome to camelbacktrading.org. This is the review of April 28, 2026. Using our proprietary Camelback TradingView market profile, let's review today's price action and look at what is ahead for tomorrow. The overnight session started with a push higher as ES notched a new all-time high. Now, both the NQ and ES have their all-time highs sitting in the overnight session. However, after hitting those highs, the market dropped and inventory became net short for both, leaving us with a gap and value clearly in favor of the bears. NQ was the weakest early on, opening down nearly 1%. We started the day with a slow grind, though ES did manage to close its opening gap. It wasn't until C period that things really started moving, as we took out the initial balance low along with the overnight lows. Following that move, price action from D through H period became very rotational. We finally saw some short covering in I period, which provided some decent opportunities to fade at certain levels. But ultimately, L period wiped out any possibility of carrying over a legit afternoon rally high. The final scores reflected the bearish lean, with NQ finishing 6-0 and ES 3-1, all on very low volume and a small range in the ES. Looking at the bigger picture, since NQ had an inside day yesterday and gap down today, we are calling NQ down. If we take out today's high tomorrow, we are back into balance. ES, meanwhile, remains in a 3-day balance. On the larger timeframes, the monthly is in balance and won't be defined until Thursday. As we look toward Friday, being the first of the month when new money typically flows in and the balance formed, that balance high is going to be a critical level to watch. It's clear from the price action over the last 2 days that the market is in a holding pattern. Everyone is waiting for the heavy hitters, the FOMC meeting and the onslaught of big tech earnings tomorrow. Our plan for tomorrow is to trade the market like any other day until midday. We'll watch for setups aligned with the MGI after the FOMC press conference. If nothing clean develops, we'll wait to see how the market digests the news and earnings during the Globex session and look for high probability opportunities on Thursday. The market is coiled and waiting for a catalyst, so don't try to outguess the move before it happens. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and let the market profile and the MGI guide your setups. Don't start with a bias. Let the data guide you. Remember, if you are going to buy an account with Tradeify, use code CB2724 and help us donate to St. Jude's Hospital, 20% this time. Also, don't forget you can get this education daily inside the Camelback Trading Room, including our daily webinar and our custom market profile for TradingView. Join us at camelbacktrading.org. Be safe and trade well.